boys and girls, grandmas, today we're gonna learn a new thing. It's called some 10.
It's called the sum of 10 facts. So we're going to start with our paper divided in half.
Boys and girls, I have a song about this.
Not right now. Okay, count how many pennies you have.
Let's see. Let's spread them out. Okay, hold on. Spread them out. 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11.
Do you have 11? Okay, I'm going to take one away because you should only have 10. Can you count them again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. A long time ago, not that long ago, but a while back, we made different numbers in different ways. Like, remember, I would give you 5 blocks and you would have to make 5 different ways, like 3 different ways or 4 different ways. Do you remember? Okay, listen. We're going to do the same with making 10. Okay? So on one side of your paper, we're going to start with 0 pennies. And on the other side of your paper, we're going to put 10 pennies. Can you do that?
Yeah. All we have to do is put all of the pennies on the right side.
So all of the pennies are on one side. Yeah. And we're going to write that problem on the board. I'll write the first one, but then you can start writing them. So I have 0 pennies on one side, but I have plus 10 pennies on the other side. And I'm going to have, what's 0 plus 10?
It is 20.
Really?
10.
Okay, now listen. Now move all of your pennies off.
Clean up, clean up.
Now this time, I'm going to put 1 penny on one side. So put 1 penny on one side. How many pennies are going to be on the other side? You count them and let me know.
0.
No, you're going to put all these pennies on that side.
So if we took one away, these pennies, the number would be 9. Because this one was 10 at the last. So this side would be 9.
You are exactly right. Good thinking, girlfriend.
Because it's just like take away double.
Yeah.
Like when we add 2 more and we take it away.
Exactly. So that problem, we're going to write it like this. I've got 1 penny on one side and I got 9 pennies on the other. But it still makes how many pennies?
9.
Well, 9 here.
10.
Plus,
10.
Right. So again, another way to write
10.
10. Okay, now this time take all your pennies off.
Clean up.
And on one side, we're going to have 2 pennies. How many are we going to have on the other side?
That means there's 8.
Good job. That does mean
Because
there's
every way we take a penny away, the number keeps getting lower and lower. Just like when we count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you hear how low the numbers got?
I did. So you're right. We're going to have 2 on this side.
But when we started with 1, the numbers would get higher.
Okay.
Like,
now we're going to have
like when we do the smallest number of the video.
So you said 2 on this side and 8 on this side. Put all your pennies on there. And how many are we going to have all together still?
We're still going to have 10 because we add
still gonna have 10.
more.
Guess what we're going to do this time?
What?
We're going to have 3 on one side. And so how many does that make on the other side?
7.
That's right. Good job. I like the way you did it. And so we're still going to have a total of 10 pennies. Now we're going to have 4 on one side. Can you do 4 on one side?
1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh. You already had 3 on there, remember? You better
4.
fix it. 4 on this side.
Yes.
Well, that's way too many.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All the other pennies go on the other side. How many are there?
Let's see.
how many pennies are on that side. Did you lose some pennies? Uh-oh. So how many, you have 4 on this side. How many are on this side?
And
You can count them.
so we started with 7, and it's 6.
It is 6. So 4 plus...
Do you see? It's exactly as it's what I told you, boys and girls. It's exactly by counting backwards from starting backwards.
But
Hello.
our total is still how many pennies?
10.
Good job.
Because we add the 4s to the other pennies on the other side.
Now look at, we're going to put on 5 on one side.
5.
And look at me do it. 5 on one side, and yes, you're right, you have 5 on the other side.
But there's still 10.
There's still 10. Okay. Now look at, we're going to...
Now the number is 4.
Well, now we're going to put 6 on this side.
Huh?
And how many are going to be on the other side?
4.
That's right. Can you move them over? I just did that one. And that still equals...
10.
Good job. Now we're going to have...
Boys and girls, this is the end of this video. But if you want to see more videos... Sorry.
We're not done yet. So now I want you to have 7 on this side. Well, do it. How many is going to be on the other side?
4.
If you move 7 on this side, how many is going to be on the other side?
3.
Okay, and it still equals...
And then we add 1 more to the other side.
So how many is on this side?
So what number?
How many is on this side? Well, we ended with...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
And how many are on the other side?
2.
That's,
And we add 1 more.
that still equals 10 though, right? And then we're going to have 9 on one side and 1 on that side. That's right. And then last one is 10 on one side and nothing on the other. That equals 10. Look at these problems. They all add up. That's what the word sum means. And it's spelled like this. Different than some more candy. Kaylin, don't do that, please. You're going to get your little thing all messed up. So look at. These are the sum of
more.
10 facts. The sum of 10.
Now can I say it?
Why do you think we call them that? Because they all add up to what?
10. Hey, Grandma, can it be the end of this video now?
No, it's not at the end yet. Watch. We can turn our facts this way, and it will still be the sum of 10 facts. Watch.
Yep, because they switch sometimes. Just like 2 more than 1 does.
Like this. Watch. If we do 0 plus 10, it's still adding up to, look at, 10.
10.
Doesn't matter if it's up and down or long ways, okay? So, what do we call these facts?
We call these facts the 10 more the 10 more.
The sum of 10.
The sum of 10.
So watch. If we do it this way or this way, it's fine. Or look, we can write 10 first and we still get 10. And do you know what mathematicians call these? People who do math call these the switch around facts.
What's the switch around fact?
You can switch them and they're still the same numbers. They're still the same answers. And another word for that is, listen, commutative property.
That's a weird name. I can't even remember it.
Commutative property. Commutative.
Go, I don't know.
Well, it just means that you can switch them and they won't change the answer. That's the commutative property of addition. You can switch them and they won't change the answers. Let me ask you a question on this side of the board.
If you want to watch...
We're not done yet.
Okay.
Show me a pair of commutative problems. I'm going to do the first one.
Okay.
I can see, are you looking at me? 1 plus 9 switched around to 9 plus 1. They switched the numbers, but it still equals 10. Can you circle a pair of commutative facts?
Well, I can circle the 3 and the 7 and the 8 and the 2.
Really? Those are not switched around numbers. I have a 3 and a 7. Now you have different numbers, 8 and a 2. Has to have the same numbers to be commutative.
3 and a 7?
Yes. And a 7 and a 3, right? But it still adds up to what number?
10.
Okay, now can you find me another commutative pair of numbers?
Well, I can get this one
Yes.
and get this one.
Yeah, they just switched them around. Can you find me another commutative pair of numbers?
A 6 and a 4. We have a 6 and a 4.
Oh, look on that side. You have a 6 and a 4. So what numbers are you looking for now?
And a 4 and a 6.
That's right. Well, look.
A 4 and a 6. A 4 and a 6. Yes, right here.
Good job. Can you
Easy.
find me another commutative pair of numbers? Good job. Awesome.
They switch.
I think that's it. You did a great job. Okay. And now you can do it.
I hope you got. Hey, Grandma, I'm gonna add 2 things to the video. Okay.
That's fine.
I hope you subscribe to my channel. Give me a Goliath 10 thumbs up. And if you want to watch more videos, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay